Today, we're exploring the journey of Martin Shkreli, the former pharmaceutical executive and hedge fund manager who became one of the most polarizing figures in America after hiking the price of the life-saving drug Daraprim by 5,000% overnight. Dubbed Pharma Bro by the media, Shkreli leaned into his villainous persona through aggressive social media trolling and high-profile stunts, including his infamous purchase of a one-of-a-kind Wu-Tang Clan album. So where is Martin Shkreli now? Let's find out. Following his 2017 conviction for securities fraud unrelated to his drug pricing, Shkreli was sentenced to 7 years in federal prison. He served the majority of his time at a low-security facility in Allenwood, Pennsylvania, before being released to a halfway house in May 2022. Since his full release from custody in late 2022, Shkreli has attempted to re-enter the tech and finance worlds, launching various software projects while navigating a lifetime ban from the pharmaceutical industry and a court order to return $64 million in profits. Shkreli remains a highly active and controversial figure on the internet, though his professional activities have been heavily restricted by ongoing legal battles. In early 2025, a federal judge found him in contempt of court for failing to fully account for his copies of the Wu-Tang Clan album Once Upon a Time in Shaolin, which he had been ordered to forfeit. Consequently, he has spent much of the past year embroiled in litigation over the digital distribution of that music, while continuing to provide financial commentary and tech advice to his followers on platforms like X and Discord. Where is Martin Shkreli now? As of now, Martin Shkreli is a free man residing in New York City. He is currently focused on his role as a consultant for various Web3 and AI-focused startups, though he remains under a lifetime ban from serving as an officer or director of any public company and is permanently barred from the pharmaceutical industry. Throughout 2025 and into 2026, he has maintained a presence as a finfluencer, often live streaming his thoughts on market trends and emerging technologies. Professionally, his attempts to launch a drug discovery platform called Drug-like were met with immediate legal challenges from the Federal Trade Commission, which argued the software violated his industry ban. In early 2026, he is primarily occupied with his legal defense in ongoing civil suits regarding the shadow release of the Wu-Tang album and managing the massive financial judgments still owed to the government and victims of his fraud. Martin Shkreli has transformed from a disgraced CEO into a persistent digital provocateur. While he is no longer at the helm of a major company, he continues to prove that he is unwilling to fade into obscurity, prioritizing his online influence and his legal skirmishes above all else. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite stars and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.